Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you're gonna need some white and black pony beads. You're gonna need two beads for the eyes. I'm gonna use blue, but you can use whatever color you want. I have a few feet of string. You're also gonna need scissors, a lighter, and a needle. And what we're gonna do is get both ends of the string. We're going to take two white beads and put one on each side. And then you can grab the ends and just let those fall. We're going to take one black bead, and this bead will go through both strings. And just let that fall. And then we're going to add 6 rows of white. This will be 1. So there's 1. Both strings are going through. We're just going back and forth from adding 2 beads, 1 bead, 2 beads. And we need to do that 7 times. You know what? I take that back. 6. We need 6 rows. Thought I counted that right. Okay. So you just pull all those loose beads down to the center. We have two sides. Now, if you want to, this is optional, but I'm just going to tie this yellow bead on like that, just to hold our place right there. You don't have to do that, but it might make it easier. I'm going to put my needle on. Okay, we're going to pull this string and make sure it's tight. We're going to add 1 white bead and go through this bead. We're going to add another one and go through this one. We're going to add 1 blue, one white, we'll make sure that's tight. And that's what it looks like. We're going to add a white, we're going to add a black, we're going to add a black, white, okay, I'll flip this over. We're going to add a white, another one, black, white, we're going to add white, Whoops. All right. This last white needs to be black. Just missed that. Sorry about that, guys. So the last white one is black. There we go. Now we can add a white and a black. Gonna add white, another white, flip this over. We're gonna add black, white, white, another white, flip this over. Now this time we need to create a path to get back to this bead over here. So I'm going to go up these two white, down the black, and then I'll go up this white. So we're going up these two, down, and then up. We're going to add white, another white. We're going to add black. Flip this over. We're going to add black. Another black. And we're going to flip this over. We're going to go up these two white. Down this white here. And then up this black. We're going to add a black. And now you can tie this. So I'm just going to tie onto this string here. And you can cut that off. Okay, and we should just be able to remove, you just pull this bead off. Okay, now we're going to do the same exact thing on this side. So I'm just going to work through this and let you see. I'm not going to really talk for this part. Just going to Now, if you need to, you can rewind this and watch this whole process over. But usually I don't keep, when the sides are exactly the same, usually I don't keep this footage in the video. This turned out pretty cute. I would like to talk about, not too long ago, I put a video up about how to make these charms. That was for the peyote, and this is a brick stitch. So you saw we started in the middle instead of across. But if you're using the pattern maker on Kandi Trade, or if you're using any of the patterns off of there, most of those are set up for peyote. So I did forget to include the brick stitch. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.